Where's the fish? Anna, I'm ready. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm almost done, then we'll be going back home.
Okay. When you get home, I'll get ready. Somebody take care of the turkey, okay?
Alright, you wanna eat breakfast?
Where?
Oh, never mind. Lunch? Because it's already 10.
Where?
I don't know. We can get ready.
Okay, bye.
But well, I think I got a big fish. Look, Hannah. Look. The big fish I got. Look, look. See it? See it?
Yeah. These do not tell.
Give me the fish grips. The fish grips. The orange ones. Okay, hold them for me. Huh? Sure. I just want to take a picture with it.
You want to take a picture with it?
Yeah.
You want to release it?
Do y'all want it?
Huh?
Do y'all want it?
No, I'm good, man. That's definitely over. I want to use my tab.
And I got it off that whiting I caught earlier.
Oh, you did? I can bring it over top of that. You got
I
to be good.
got fish grips.
Oh, shit.
Here, here, here. Here, I got fish grips.
got that hook on him. My bad.
Then
Where'd it go? Yeah, shit. Thanks, bro. He asked if you wanted it. I don't know if you want to use your tag. You only got one.
Yeah.
You didn't catch it, so I don't know if you want to use it, but it's up to you. That's a big one. How far did you have that out?
like 5 minutes. My second piece. I used that piece right there, but they didn't get it. And I got the two.
Don't let it go! Daddy, are you gonna cook that?
It's gonna die. That hook is way in there.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Dad, can I touch it? Ew, so slimy. Ew.
Hey, you think you get it with the pliers better or no?
It's way in there.
No.
You should feed it to the birds.
No, I might have to take him home. These ain't gonna die.
Yeah, I think so, bro.